Hello guys, good evening and welcome to Pinili Vlog. So and for today's vlog guys ay nag-ihaw-ihaw muna kami. So what we call in English are barbecue chicken. So ito yan, barbecue chicken. So shout out mga idol and thanks for coming this Pinili Vlog and welcome to my channel. Salamat sa iyong suporta and thanks for the support and thanks for watching. Charlotte lang. So ngayong araw ito ay Friday, so tapos na namin nagtrabaho. Yun. Magparty-party kami saglit. Magsalo-salo kami. So, hintayin ko yung mga kasama ko. Kasama ko mamaya, guys. After, kain kami ng dinner. So, thank you for watching, guys. See you later.